Oh my God! Is this not my pot of soup? This Yama.
This one. This you should get out of here. Don't talk while you're eating.
What is wrong with both of you? Eh? You're not only eating the soup, but you're also eating it. Eh? See?
What is this noise that I'm
Papa,
hearing?
you came
What's
at the
the noise all about?
You came at the right time. Look at what your useless daughters are doing.
Thunder fire you there. Thunder fire you. I repeat, thunder fire you for opening that your stupid mouth to call me Papa.
My.
Papa, did your mother, Papa, Nwangbada, bring her miserable self from her father's house into my house with pot? Eh? I would just shut up there.
Papa,
Listen. Eh?
The soup is not even sweet. No money, no salt. Nothing.
Yeah, Nwan. If that fufu is not enough, come and get money and buy more.
Papa, we are coming.
So,
Shut up.
this is all you have to say.
Are you talking? Are you talking? Did you bring pot of soup from my house?
No.
Mama, easy.
Sorry. Why did you go and fight them? Why?
Mama, I did not fight them. They came for me. Or I was on my own.
You was on your own. I've told you you should learn how to control your temper. Eh? As you can see, those girls are doing everything within their power to push us out of this house.
Mama, that is not enough reason for me to keep quiet and watch them humiliate me. It's not enough reason.
Isioma, a word is enough for the wise. Zerindia. They are witches. Zerindia. Wait. Allow me now. Look at how they design your body. Look at what they did to you. And after now, their father will support them. Wait.
Mama, please. Hey, we taught her a good lesson. Next time, break her leg.
We are saying break her legs. Next time, nobody will recognize her. Not even you. Opa Isioma in my father's compound. She wants to dare me.
So let me bring food for you. We just finished work. Hey, I'm going to bring food. Don't worry.
Strong one, no. Amara!
I'm coming.
Amara! Be fast now.
Coming. Hey. Sister, this is the food. Yes.
That's what you're taking. It's very small. You not bring water.
Water.
Hey. Be fast, though.
No worry.
You want to try me up here? My father's compound. Yeah, do you? I'm an man also, I'll be fast.
I'm here already. Hey. I keep
Man, you waste the time.
Hey.
Because I'm ready.
Oh. Imagine this summer. They have not even eaten, came to fight us.
Oh, yeah,
Imagine this summer. They have not even eaten, came to fight me. Hey, God.
How will she eat?
She's lucky. Hey.
In my father's compound, call Yelini. Don't worry, see next time. You might want to pandemic. I will use pandemic on her. Okay,
don't worry. I am solidly behind you with citadel.
Oh, dankusa.
Hey.
Isioma. Nkusa. Leave me fast though.
Hey,
but mind of we don't touch my own. Dankusa. Oh yeah. Isioma.
Wow.
I said don't touch my apple. Can even will apple.
Sister, we are talking about Isioma.
You're talking about Isioma. You know even to that marker. Don't try it next time. Map your way on. And that one is for me, not for you.
What for me?
I don't know why the two of you will not allow me to have peace in my house. Eh? Another fight today?
Papa, I useless that I started it. We are on our own.
Can you imagine?
My husband.
Don't I fire you? Who is your husband?
Okay, no problem. You know our daughter Isioma is not a troublesome person. She's not a violent type. I came out. I saw them beating and fighting her 2-1. I separated them. That is all. Papa, I was on my own.
Shut up there! I don't want to hear anything from you. I'm tired of hearing anything from you. Honestly, I don't know why you are still in my house. I'm tired of all these complaints, troubles about the two of you every day. I told you, go out there, get out of my house, go and look for your father, because I cannot be the father of an embodiment of trouble like you. Embodiment of misfortune. I cannot be. Get out of my house. Now, you, Papa, Unwangbada, follow. Two of you, get out of here. Let me leave.
You have no change. You've not seen anything. You've not seen anything in this
Tomorrow,
house.
come out and face me. We have part 2 of this fight. We are not done.
Turn my life upside down.
Don't mind them.
Stop punishing.
You don't even have to stress yourself.
Mama. Mama. What are you always thinking about?
Isioma, are you back?
Mama, you're always thinking. Don't go and get high BP. You know we don't have any money for hospital bills.
My daughter. You know they say thoughts, words, travel faster than legs. I have gone in so many places while I'm still sitting down.
Mama, what is it? Is it about food? See, I got food stuff. Let me just go inside and prepare food for us to eat.
Foodstuffs? Where did you get the money from?
I worked for Mazuri. I'm done with the job, so he paid me. I used the money to buy food stuff. I know you must be hungry. Let me go inside and prepare what you eat. Yeah? Let me go.
My daughter, may the good Lord continue to bless you. May God keep you for me. If not for you, what could I have done?
No, it's okay. Stop crying. Let me prepare something.
Okay. God bless you, my daughter. God bless you. If not for this one, if not for my daughter.
Hi. Raymond, you are a finished man. I have told you to leave woman and focus on your hustle. You don't have money and you're chasing after women. You don't have anything. Look at your pocket, empty. And your plans are just women. See, I will advise you, okay? Please, leave women. Just leave them for now. Leave them. Focus on money, making money, hustle.
Emeka, I don't blame you. You know why this whole ranting that you're talking about, or this ranting that you're ranting, is because of see finish. I swear. Listen, if I hadn't given you this opportunity to talk to me like this, you wouldn't. Emeka, who told you I don't have money? Emeka, if you have foresight, you will see that this man is made. Do I look like a poor man to you? Listen, that girl, listen, just calm down. Let me tell you so that you won't say this nonsense again. That girl you see, that girl is my kind of woman. Is the kind of girl I want to settle with. I'm not just chasing after women.
Raymond, you see, Raymond, you are a total finished man. Yes, you are a finished man. You can't tell me you are chasing after women without money. Raymond, see, are you not old enough? Your mates are they are making money, they are building mansions, and all you have to say is focusing on women. You don't have any.
Shut up.
Don't you make my.
Emeka, shut up. Emeka, I said shut up. Listen, all these things you are saying will come later. Listen, Emeka, let me teach you what you don't know. And let me tell you one thing you don't know about me. Emeka, I've arrived though. Emeka, just remove these clothes now. Put senator on me. You will see my spec. Emeka, let me tell you, I have a lot of containers that are like, see container.
Containers.
You might not have, you don't have future. I not might, you don't have future. Emeka, look at me, look at riches. My containers are, in fact, they've landed. I just need to go and claim them. Emeka, see my containers. Just for me to claim it. Emeka, let me tell you. Do you also know that a good woman can bring riches, blessings? A good woman can bring that thing that will change a man's life. So relax, what I'm doing is coming from here. I am not being guided just by Emeka like you, or people like you. Listen, I'm working with my brain. My brain tells me what to do. And what I'm doing here is right. Let's go. Let's go. Emeka, let's go.
Fine. See, I won't talk about this again because it's as if you don't want to hear me. You don't want to listen to me. I won't say anything about this again.
Why will I listen to somebody who has no future? Now you are telling me that at this age we are supposed to do this, we are supposed to do that. Now what happens to me to this thing I'm doing, like fighting for a girl I want to marry? Emeka, that is my kind of woman. And now this money will come as at when due. Relax your mind. Hey, listen, when it comes, all this your behavior will not help you. I swear, if you continue, if I help you,
You are looking for trouble where there is no trouble. You are looking for trouble where there is no trouble. This rope is my clothes, and my clothes will be there. Which clothes? You and I know you washed your clothes yesterday, and they're all dry. So why you don't want to To cause unnecessary problem here. I don't like this at all. I don't like it.
You must be very stupid. Isoma, you must be very, very stupid. Oh, you are not monitoring me, Abi? You are not monitoring me. So I cannot dry my clothes even when it's dry. Okay?
If there is any stupid person, that person is you. Yes. Please. I don't want any problem, please. Carry your clothes and go. Let me spread mine. You've washed yours yesterday.
Shift from here, Joe.
Please, I'm leaving because of one reason. I'm leaving because of one reason.
Don't touch this clothes again, It's like you're mad. Like you're mad.
Nobody will spread clothes here. Okay, nobody will spread clothes here. Nobody will spread clothes here. Nobody will spread clothes. Nobody will spread clothes here. Hey! Leave me! Leave me! Remove this from this place! Remove this! No! I'll get somebody here now! We'll kill ourselves here today! I'll get somebody here! We'll kill ourselves here today!
Isioma. Isiojo! I swear, I cannot be calling you Isioma. I don't like the fact that there is no passing day that there wouldn't be complaint about you in this house. If I must confess, I'm not happy you are still under my roof. Stay away from others, you wouldn't listen. I will skin you alive one day. I will skin you alive. Yeah, Papa, talk to see the embodiment of misfortune you call a child. Talk to her before I deal with her.
Papa, talk to her. Her useless sister came to fight me when I was washing my clothes. Peacefully, I did not do anything, Papa.
Papa, that's a lie. Liar. Papa, she brought already dried clothes to dry where I hanged my clothes. She took it from my trouble. Warn her. Papa, warn her.
Gini Mezie? Asking Gini Mezie? Is it your father's house? Is it not our father's house?
You are so lucky that I was not around.
Because if I was around, we will aja. Itanya. Nyala. Papa, talk to her. Talk to this rich woman and her useless daughter. Talk to them.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut this nonsense gutter you call mouth. You must be out of your senses. If there's anyone that is a witch in this house, it must be both of you. What nonsense? Untrained children.
Did you bring any rope from your father's house to dry clothes in this compound?
This is my husband's house. And this is my father's house. Yes!
Will you shut up and now get out of this place before I deck you down? Get out of here now!
Absolutely, get out!
Get out!
Get out, Sonu!
Leave already!
You want
Leave
me to
our
deck you
house!
down?
Get out! Leave our house! Misfortune!
Leave here!
Misfortune, leave!
No, Mama. Idiot.
Leave!
Mama,
Papa,
it's not on my mother.
Papa, they came to me.
You know, instead of you to beat her, it's okay. It's alright. Instead of you to give her,
it's okay. You will be beating your sister.
Well, she's not my sister.
I'm not. It's again.
No, I mean, it's your mom.
Okay. You know what? Go inside the house. Arrange something for me to. You understand?
Go and cook now.
I'll cook.
Go and assist her. Assist her. She's your sister.
What is it?
Why are you avoiding me? Am I not beautiful? Take me out. Am I not fine?
You're beautiful. But you're too demandful. Listen, I cannot build a home with you.
My love, it's not true. Me, I can build a home with you. See, for the last time, one last time, I want you to buy Brazilian hair for me. Or bone straights. Just once. I'll not ask you again.
Listen, you heard me complaining right now to you that you are too demanding. And you still have the mind to tell me for the very last time I should buy you a bone straight or a Brazilian weave. What's your problem? Are you normal?
Well, buy me PC coils. Isn't
I was heading somewhere before.
see, my love. We can build a home together. I'm yours, and you're mine. So if you buy me hair, it doesn't mean anything. It's still our hair, our marriage hair, family hair. See, you can build this family together. Yeah? If you bring cement, I'll bring sand. Cement and sand. Yeah?
I understand.
So
Can I go now?
No, you cannot go. Let's talk about the hair now.
I was heading somewhere before now. Excuse me.
Raymond. Rere, it's just one Brazilian hair, and it's not expensive. Raymond, you come and buy hair for me. Now, why not your wife?
Look, you are welcome. But you are not looking happy.
Amadi, is that a question? Are you asking me a question? You know the problem in my house. You know what I go through every day. There is no single day in my house that I have peace. I'm so confused. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. It's okay. William Wayo. Before you use thinking and bust this your head. Because I understand what you're going through.
I need solution to the madness going on in my house. Every day fight in my house. Listen, I will kill somebody. I will kill somebody.
You want to kill somebody? Wait, Ndoka. Do you know how many years you spend behind bars if you kill somebody?
Amadi, let me stay behind bars. It is better for me to stay behind bars for years and years and years instead of me to live in my house without peace because of that accursed girl.
Ndoka, it is like saying it is better you kill yourself than to commit suicide. Ndoka, look, you are the man of the house. Go home, arrange your house.
What you mean now is that all along I've been the woman of the house.
No, I mean go and arrange your house. Nobody will do it for you. It is only you that can do it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Amadi. I've heard you.
Okay.
Please, go inside the house there. Bring a box or a bag for me. Let me arrange my house into it.
Ndoka, we are not quarreling now. I'm just giving you advice.
I agree, and I'm equally asking you, please give me a bag or a box. Let me arrange my house into it. Have I not tried enough?
My dear, do you know that it remains small? I can kill this rat. Hey! I thought that side. I want to please, that's one.
Onyekwe. Kidinda Labi. Kidinda. Yeah, this woman. How many times will I tell you not to cross or enter this farm?
As who?
As the owner.
Owner?
Yes.
Gewa.
This is my father's land. And I have every right to do whatever I want to do here.
Okay.
And choose who will enter here.
And this is our grandfather's land, Abi.
Exactly.
Listen, this is also our father's land. And we'll do whatsoever thing we want to do here.
Asonye. Nanya. You be make sure on Mbokwa. Mbokwa! Ike. You have chosen your own portion. What are you doing here? What do you want from my own side? Or Oh! I can see. My cassavas are growing very well. All my plants, they are doing very well. Why not go to your own and suffer the way I suffered? To put my own in a place like this.
Mama, let me explain it to her again.
Just explain it to her.
Listen, this land was divided into two.
Bam.
You and your sister have your own portion. This particular one is for my mother and I. Stay off it. Leave it for us.
This is my father's land. I have said it before and I'll continue to say it. Okay.
Ewu, Nkita, if you know what is good for you, carry your 2 useless legs and leave this place this minute.
Don't worry, let me go and prepare. This stadium is not good for fights. Draw smooth enough for fights. And get out. Don't worry, let me go and drink Abido Sheka.
You have heard her.
I am coming.
Abido Sheka. Sheka.
No. This place is too small for the fight. Kanje, let me go and prepare. Let me go and drink Abido Sheka. Back up. Don't worry, I will be major before I You want to fight me?
Idiot. My husband. No problem. These children, please, I want you to call them to order. These children came to the farm you gave to me, saying that it is their own. Yes.
Papa. Override, Papa. Who did you just call your husband? Me? You must be mad. I know that your madness has come. You are my downfall and not my wife. Listen to me. I have no business with you at all. Get out of here. Get out of here.
I don't know why you hate me this so much. I don't know what I've done to you. I did not impregnate myself. Why are you doing this to me? All I want to tell you is that if they did not stop, the battle line has been drawn.
Fine! The battle line has been drawn. Break it on. I've been waiting for this. Idiot! See other voices or get out. Nonsense. Idiot. Keep disturbing me while scratching my ear. Doesn't know that it's a very serious business to scratch me.
Mama, what did they say?
My dear, you know your father really hates us. What do you expect him to say?
I know. Papa always supports them. But Mama, these people are not ready to end this fight anytime soon.
That's all.
We have to stand our ground. Because they're not ready to give up the fight for the land. They're not. Okay, tell me. Why didn't they reject their own land when they shared the land between us and them? Eh? It's because we've cultivated our own to this extent. Now they want to take it from us. Mama, we will stand our ground, because if we do not do anything, they will keep on doing this to us.
My daughter, you are right. You are right. Because the kingdom of God suffereth violence. It's only the violent people that take it by force. We will stand on our ground to take it by force. We are not going to give them that chance. Enough is enough. Yes, the battle line has been drawn.
Yes. Hey, this is what I want from you. It's not every time we'll be acting calm. Eh? Let's show them that there is something we can do. Let's prove it to them. Raymond, what is it? Can't you leave me alone? Eh?
Listen, man. I wish I can open my heart for you to see the level of love I have for you.
What stupid love? Can your love buy 1 cup of garri? Can it buy 1 cup of garri? See, I'm not interested. Let me be. There are so many beautiful girls in this village. Huh? As for me, I have nothing to offer to you. Same way you have nothing to offer to me. Go and make money. You're broke. Go and make money. Broke as food. Rubbish. stay away. Leave me alone. Stay off my car.
Isioma, if my container lands, I will buy a lot of things for you.
Stop there. What is it? You think I didn't see you? What were you doing with my boyfriend? You think I didn't see you? I wasn't doing anything with you. You can't talk again. Zami Yenji, what were you doing with my boyfriend? Nothing. Nothing. You went to them. What is this thing? Let me be. Come on back. You don't get it. No, stop! Please, that is what were you to stop my boyfriend? Don't yet to get. I'm sleep my guy. My guy, be alone now. I'm asking you something. Let me show you how to eat. See, stop. No. Stop. Come and eat Gary. Hey! Come and eat it. What did I do to you? What were you doing with my boyfriend? What were you doing with my boyfriend? You are not getting it. This is not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. So your mother snatched my father from Danielcha. Maybe Danielcha. You want to snatch my boyfriend? I will show you. Go see him out of there. Lie down where? Lie down. Onyala. When is that video? You! I will show you! Pepe! Animal. I will come back for you. I will meet you at home. Isioma, what is it? Eh? What is it? What happened? Talk to me. Mama, it's Nkechi.
What about Nkechi?
I bought Gary with half of the money they do pay me doing my daily job. On my way, she attacked me and threw the Gary on the floor.
She did what? Nkechi attacked you. Where is she? Mama, leave me alone. Go. Where is she?
Stop. It's okay, please. Don't fight them. Let us not fight them. Let's leave it for God to fight for us. They've done their worst. Let's just ignore them. It's okay, Mama.
Nkechi, God will punish you. God will punish you. You will never have peace. Nkechi,
let's just ignore them.
Nkechi, Nkechi, you have beaten more than you can chew.
Mama, let's go inside.
No problem. What is it? Why are you sitting like this? Why is your face like this, my daughter? Mama?
Well, I've been thinking.
Of what?
Now that I don't have any work I'm doing, how are we going to survive? How?
My dear, don't worry yourself, okay? Don't bother yourself. I bought some foodstuffs. Yes.
Huh. Where did you get money to buy this?
My daughter, I've always told you that God will provide for us. God Almighty will not let us down. Yes. Go and prepare it. Let's eat. Go and prepare it.
Okay, Mama.
Hey, God. God, please don't let us down. You are our Father, you are our provider. You are our maker. You will never let us down.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Isema, what is it?
Mama! Mama!
What is it?
Mama!
Huh?
What is going on? I can't find the pot of soup.
What do you mean by you can't find the pot of soup?
I can't find the pot of soup where I kept it.
You mean it is missing?
Exactly. It is missing. I can't see it. I kept it there now. I can't see it again. What's going on?
Follow me. Oh my God! Is this not my pot of soup? Isioma.
This one. This you should get out of here. Don't talk while you're eating.
What is wrong with both of you? Eh? You not only see the soup, but you're also eating it. Eh? See?
What is this noise that I'm
Papa,
hearing?
you came
What's
at the
the
right
noise all
time.
about?
You came at the right time. Look at what your useless daughters are doing.
Thunder fire you there. Thunder fire you. I repeat, thunder fire you for opening that your stupid mouth to call me Papa.
My.
Papa, did your mother, Papa, Nwangbada, bring her miserable self from her father's house into my house with pot? Eh? I would just shut up there.
Papa,
Listen. Eh?
The soup is not even sweet. No money, no salt.
Nothing.
Yeah, one. If that fufu is not enough, come and get money and buy more.
Papa, we are coming.
So,
Shut up.
this is all you have to say.
Are you talking? Are you talking? Did you bring pot of soup from my house?
Papa, let's give it a try. Give what a try.
Raymond, are you out of your senses? Raymond, can't you go to be? Have you not seen any girl in this community to get married to? Raymond? Okay. If you insist that it must be from that family, have you not seen the other of our sisters? You can take the other two and marry. Must it be that bad luck? Raymond?
Papa, that's too harsh. Yes, that's too harsh, Papa. Papa, how will you speak to someone else's child calling her a bad luck?
Raymond, you know nothing. I am your father. I have been here before you. Raymond, I have seen a lot that you have not seen. Yeah, Raymond, let me warn you. If you must have anything to do with that family, it must not be that mad girl, Isioma. Let me say it again. Raymond, it must not be Isioma, because if you do, I will disown you in this house, and that is final.
But Papa,
No but. Stop butting me. What has love done to you? It's making you crazy. This your love with Isioma. Oh, you make it your dog. Raymond. Ana wante. Nti anoro. Ebu pisi. Nti esole. Hey.
I don't need to remind the two of you that Isioma and her mother are responsible for our poverty. When you deal with them, don't show mercy. Are you hearing me? Deal with them without mercy. As a matter of fact, attack them with the viciousness with which a hunting dog attacks a rabbit in the forest. Anyway, I don't really need to tell you how you do your work.
Papa, we are trying, but these people are too stubborn.
Papa, don't worry yourself. Here are no scores. You will hear scores. Don't even stress yourself.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I trust the two of you. See, anything you do, I'm behind you. I'm in your support because the two of you are my blessings. Not that embodiment of misfortune and her mother. So whatever you do, you have my support. You know?
Thank you very much. Don't worry yourself. Oh, just Jela Lola.
Thank you very much.
Why you don't have any? You should start this night.
Anytime you feel like starting, you start.
But don't worry.
I'm solidly behind you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Hope you heard him. For extra power.
Nomeka, my father told me straight to my face, eyeball to eyeball, that I should not have anything to do with that girl Isioma.
Ha! Why would he say it like that? Why?
I don't know. He said that girl is a bad luck to her family. That instead of me to go for her, I should go for her own sisters. He also told me if I insist on doing anything with her, I should count him out.
Hey, Raymond. You know, I thank God these words are from your own father. I thank God your own father said this. And you know your father and Isioma father are friends from time. So I believe he knows what he's saying. And he has advised you, because if I was to be the one to advise you, I don't think you will even hear me. Okay? And you know what they say. Words of elders are words of wisdom. So I believe you should just, adhere to what your own father has told you. Okay?
My problem here is you never supported me, and you don't even want me to go close to that girl or any other girl because you think I am not concentrated or I'm not focused. Let's leave that stuff for now and talk about something better.
She's in the hospital, and the doctor said he won't start any treatment on her unless we deposit 100,000 naira. Please, I need your help.
You must be very stupid to have come to me asking for 100,000 naira. When I told you and your good for nothing mother to get out of my house, did you listen? Now you are here telling me her eyes will go.
Papa, please, this is not the time for this. I beg of you. If they don't start this treatment, my mother might go blind. She might lose her eyes.
Beautiful! Of what use was your mother and her eyes to me? The better she gets blind. Nonsense. Alright, shut up.
Papa!
If you touch me again,
Papa, please.
I'll forget my fingers on your face.
Papa, please, Papa.
Shut.
Iko, please. I beg of you, please, help us.
My old people are against me. Oh, we are alone, Samuna, Mama Muo. Ewo, I've been suffering from day one. Oh, they have called me a set of names. A cost girl and disgrace that can never amount to anything. Hello, Temo in our name. I better move for. Where will this end?
That serves you right. Or we gotta go slow-mo now. Slow-mo. Hey.
Wait, so like this now, she's not going to see again.
Yes, now. Hey. And that's the solution to our problem. Are you not happy?
I am not happy. I feel pity for her.
Hey. What get you is now? Are you mad? See, if you don't have any reasonable thing to say, you see no change now, be here and get out of my sight. Do you know how long I've been planning for this? Eh? You see me winning her. Nyala. In fact, be here. It's here. What do you come you see? You. Nobody.
Ndoka. Intime Jugo. I don't believe what I'm hearing, Ndoka. I don't believe it.
You better believe it because it is true.
Hi. Mbano. Nkirika. This is extreme.
Amadi, you can say that. But at least that will restore peace to my house. My house that has become citadel of confusion all these days. Citadel house of commotion. Peace will come back.
No, Ndoka. No. I'm not with you on this. I'm not with you on your wife, blind. Mbano.
Amadi, you don't need to be with me. You don't need to be with me in this. What do I need her eyes for? What do I need her eyes for? Do I need her eyes to walk on the road?
Ndoka. You need her eyes to cook your food and to wash your clothes, Ndoka.
Better she has no eyes. You hear? I need to do what? Cook food for me to eat? When did I eat her food last? It is even better for her not to see me when I'm looking at her. It is better for her to be blind.
Ndoka, stop saying this. I'm not happy with this situation at all.
And who told you I want you to be happy?
Who
told you I want you to be happy?
Ndoka, think about this. Biko. No.
Amadi, I don't need to think about anything. I'm even happy she's gone blind.
No.
Let her remain there.
No, Ndoka. We must do something about it.
You can go and do it.
You can do that in fast. Yes, Mama. Careful. Hurry up. Hey! Mama, my daughter. How are you?
Good day, ma.
Good day, my dear.
Oh, I'm just coming from your house. I was told you are in the farm.
Yes, we came to work, my dear.
Mama, I'm sorry. I came to take my remaining balance for the work I did for you.
Hey, what? You mean Chisom has not given you the money?
No.
I got. Wait. Chisom! Come here. Come and stand here.
Yes, ma'am.
Why didn't you give her the money I gave you?
I did. I gave it to Nkechi on the way to help me give it.
Oh my God. These children, you will not kill me. You gave it to me.
Nkechi.
Why? These children will not kill me. Go and get it from her. She's your sister.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Wane. Greet your mommy, eh?
Okay.
Bye-bye, my dear. Yayo.
Bye-bye.
Do? Huh? I don't know what is wrong with you. I don't know. Such an atabiko. Such an guy. I'm not going along with you, Mama. Nkechi. Dekwe. Nkechi. Again.
Nkechi, Chisom said she gave you my money. She gave me.
Chisom.
Yes.
When you have Chisom, is there any Chisom in this community? And which money are you talking about? Are you mad?
Nkechi, I know you're with the money, please. Can I have my money, please? You worked for it.
Oh, you know I'm with the money. As your bank. Yeah, I'm going to
Nkechi, please. Please. Please, I beg of you. Just give me the money.
So you can say please. Because you know. Okay. Let me just tell you the truth. Because you need to say please. As your bank manager. The money has been loaned out by your bank manager. You want to go? So I have the money and I will not give it to you.
Why?
What?
Nkechi, listen. My mom and I will not eat anything. I planned using the money to buy food stuff I'll use to cook today so we can have something to eat today.
Yeah.
Please now. I worked so hard for that money. Please let me have my money. Biko.
Sorry. Oh. You are hungry.
Yes.
And you want to use it and eat and cook. Well, don't worry. Let me check if I have small change. Oh? You know go asam wow. Ugabi ugebe. Asam pete. Ewo. What? That's your money. I put your leg on. You want to eat up here? Come on, get that from here. You want a fish come with you. You see? Unyala. Na be na mego. Bank manager. Yaki wenin. Ikwi. Jekwanne yo takonye onye yego. Rubbish and stupid and nonsense. Iru na such as woman obi be distracting. Mumu. Can we take one here? Let me see you here again. Mara.
Madam Oto, I know you're inside. Come outside with my money, oh. Madam Oto, come outside. Come outside with my money. Hey. Good afternoon, ma. Osino, good afternoon. Where is your mother? Where is your mother? Go inside and tell your mother to bring her my money. Tell her to bring her my 2,000 naira. Or she should return my goods she took from my shop.
Ma, relax. Relax. Just give us time. We know we are owing you, please. We will pay you. I was even thinking of coming to your shop to know if you can help us with small foodstuffs.
Is that what ma?
We will pay you.
Are you? Shut up!
Once we have the money, we will pay
your
you.
Mother is Is that what ma? Your mother is owing me goods. What? 2,000 naira? 2,000 naira? And you have the mind, Utatobogi. You want to come to my shop and take another one? Yeah? Go inside and tell your mother to bring out my money. Go inside.
We will give us time. Yes.
You know what, I will give you time. Next time I will come here. If you don't pass us I won't be this friendly. I will not go.
Can I come to your shop to take slow?
If you try it,
I'm sorry.
If you Dara, Ojugo, I just come. You can come. But tell your mother, I know she's inside though. I know you can hear me. Let me just wait for you, If you don't bring my money. Don't worry. Dara, don't you go. Poverty.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fichena nyagi no kadema. Wipe your tears no kadema. You don't know what God has in mind for you. When we play the tape, you go smile and jump high. Remember say I've been singing this song to you. Singing this song to you. See your story go change and everything go better. Oh yeah. Wipe your tears, make you know they cry. Hey, oh, one winter. Everywhere goes still.
Where you are,
high, yo, high. One day it go turn into a story. One day it go turn into a story. Maka one winter. It's your man. Why you they fear? They don't corrupt your brain, no. Tell you say you know what, anything. You are priceless, you are good luck. Hey, no one can stop your shine. Oh, no matter what they see, do not give up. Do not give up. No matter how they treat you, do not give up. Oh, Maketi, Vete Teka, Maneti de Kwanso. For different people, yo, one day it go turn into a, one day it go turn into a story.
Okay, well done.
Chekwe,
Sir?
why she the one doing this thing?
She says she need work.
And so? Is this for ladies?
I told her, but she refused. Says she need work. So I don't have anything to help her.
This is not the kind of work I need. I don't need this kind of person. You know what? You know what? Just tell her to go.
Okay,
tell her
sir.
to go. Then call Ibrahim to continue where she stopped.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I don't want to speak.
To
Please, make I
stop
carry
work.
up for it.
No, you have to stop work.
What's happening?
I don't know. God say you stop work.
Okay, see, make I stop work.
Yes.
Why?
I don't
What did I do?
I don't know.
Hey, why now? Okay, you see, if now this work I dey use chop, I don't feel stop the work.
I know. That's why I give you the work at the first time. But God say you should stop work.
Hi. Which kind of life be all this one now? Which are you look like
Run! Chekwe! Chekwe! Chekwe!
Raymond, please. Please, I need your help. I really need your help, please.
Mr. Maso, you now know my name. Right? Please, I will beg you to stop pleading me. I was busy following you up and down in this village. Isioma, but you didn't listen to me. Now you want my favor. You want me to help you.
Please, Raymond. My mother has not eaten for days now. I need your help, please. With any amount, I will really appreciate it.
I could remember what you told me, that I should go and hustle. You said it. I should go and hustle. Right? Isioma, I don't have anything to offer you.
Hey!
So I am still at the process of hustling. Now let me bring this to your notice, Isioma. I am no longer interested in you. Please, I beg you. If you want me to kneel down and beg you, I will kneel down. Listen, Isioma, I am no longer interested in you. Please leave my life because I don't need you to bring bad luck to me.
Hey.
I beg you.
Please.
Please. I was heading somewhere before now. Please, don't come close. Please, I beg you. Isioma, I said please.
Raymond. My Westo! Hey! Hey! Isama! Who did this to me? 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 It's okay. Come, let's go inside. Isama! Somebody did this to me. It's okay. Somebody did this to me. Punish whosoever that did it to you. Somebody did this to me. Punish them. Somebody did this to me. It's okay, my West. My West. My West. My West. My West. Hey! Somebody did this to me. Hey! Hey! Somebody did this to me. Hey! They want to kill me. It will not work for them. They want to kill me.
I don't know. I really don't know why you are such a stupid, useless idiot of a human being. Just imagine the way you are looking at me. Your mates outside there, they are already married. As a matter of fact, how old was your useless mother when I got married? Huh? Are you not old enough to get married?
Papa.
Yes?
Please. I am not ready for such discussion. Help my mother. She needs help. Please.
Isioma, your mother will get help once you get married. Oh yes. The help for your mother will come from your marriage. As a matter of fact, there is this man, very rich, yes, he has what is called money, who needs a wife of just about your size and age. And I told him I have one. Yes. He's just about 75 years old, but very active. The only thing is that his set of teeth no longer complete and he has partial baldness. Get married to him. He has money. Once you get married to him, he takes you and your miserable mother, the combination of misery people, he takes you out of my house.
Papa.
So that I will know that the harbingers of misfortune that are resident in my house are out.
So, you'll be happy if I marry a man that is as old as you are?
What do you mean? Marriage is marriage. It doesn't matter if the man is 100 years old.
Well, I'm not ready for that now, please. What I want is to treat my mother. Just help me with the money. Let us treat her. I beg of you.
Isioma, you must be ready. You must be ready for marriage. Without marriage, there will be no help for your mother. Yeah? Get married so that you and your miserable mother, useless mother, the harbinger of misfortune, the two of you that are misfortune carriers resident in my house will get out. You scram out of my house. So that I know that my house has been evacuated of misfortune.
I just can't believe the level of hatred you have towards me. I'm your daughter. You're my father. Can you stop treating me this way? Stop it now, please.
Can you just close down your mouth? I am your daughter, not the late daughter. Misfortune like you, embodiment of misfortune. Your daughter, your mother is embodiment of misfortune. You are misfortune personified. You are telling me I can never be a father to misfortune personified. Get out of my side. Get out! Now!
Papa, I'm going.
Yeah. Idiot. Yeah. My mother wants. Get married. Ishama, you must be married. Get married so that you and your mother will get out of my house with your baggages and baggages of misfortune. You must be married, Ishama. Nonsense.
Raymond, I have not had any news since then.
Papa, that's because there's no news. There's no news.
No news. Raymond, can't you get any? Have you not seen any girl in this community to get married to, except that cursed girl?
Papa, that cursed girl is my heart desire.
Over my dead body. Raymond, you better choose one of her sisters to get married to. And the only thing I can help you do is to talk to my friend Ndoka, so that you can change your you marry the other ones. That's what I can do.
Papa, love is something we cannot explain. And if I don't get married to Isioma, I don't think I will get married to any of them. In fact, I don't want to have anything to do with the sisters.
Hey! Raymond, Ngoma, lecturing me about love. Raymond, what has love done to you? Raymond, you are lecturing your father. Do you know how many love I played with your mother before having you? Before, hey! Raymond, hey!
Relax, please. What did she do?
She stole money from my mother's shop. This girl,
Calm down. How much did she steal?
Oh guys, not about how much she stole. If you leave this girl, she will do more. She will do worse.
Let's burn her. Let's burn her. Burning her is not enough reason. It's not the best idea.
What is the reason?
Are you trying to encourage
how do you want to pay?
what? Are you trying to encourage? I'm not encouraging her, but Jungle Justice is not the best.
Okay, let's burn her. Okay, help me. This time now, do this. Let's go.
I'll pay.
You pay.
I'll
bring the money.
My young people are against me. Oh, we are alone, someone mama mua. I've been suffering from day one.
Let's get it.
They have called me a set of names. Because God and His grace.
Raymond, I've been to head. I've been to head the story that is going on.
Emeka, calm down. What is it? You just... what is it?
Raymond, Isioma is a thief. Isioma is a criminal. That girl is a thief.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Raymond, I am not saying nonsense. I am not talking nonsense. She stole the money from Mama in Minike's shop. That girl is a criminal. She was nearly burnt today if not for the intervention of a good Samaritan. That girl would have been dead.
Unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
You know what? Your father was right. That girl is cursed. Yes, she's cursed.
Enough. Enough, Emeka. Enough. I don't know why you people hate that girl so much. Now, come to think of it. If really she did what you are talking about or what you're telling me right now, don't you think this girl might have done it out of frustration?
Frustration?
Listen, the only regret I have now is the way I acted the last time to her. That's what I'm thinking about.
Raymond, you're saying total bullshit, okay? All I want you to know is that a cursed person is cursed. That girl is cursed. She's a criminal, she's a thief, she's everything. That girl is a... Stay away from that girl. I am telling you as a friend. Please, she will get you into trouble. Okay? Leave that girl alone. Leave that... She's not the person. She's not the...
You know, the little advice I have for you as a friend. Just pray. Pray too hard. Just pray that you will not be subjected to a public discrimination. Just pray.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you? Are you with anyone?
Yes. Mama, good afternoon. Sorry for your condition, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
You don't have to say sorry.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's my fate. Don't worry. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I know you can't see me, Mama, but I am Isioma's friend. My name is Sam.
Sam?
Yes. I was just passing by then. I decided to say hi.
Oh, my son. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You did well. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, I promise to always come to check up on you guys from time to time.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much. May the good Lord bless you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen, Ma. Thank you so much, Ma. I'll be taking my leave now. Huh?
Just now?
Yes, Mama. Isoma, anything, just come, okay?
Okay.
Take care of you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Isoma, he said you should call him. Don't you tell him that you don't have phone?
Mama, well, he got me a phone.
Who?
Mama, he took me out for shopping. He got me clothes, phone, and he also gave me enough money for our feeding. Yes, I'm going to use part of the money to pay for our debts.
Oh my goodness, he's a nice person. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
He bought you a phone.
And clothes to see.
This is a big clothes once.
A big one! Eh? So, what is the plan now? Can't you think of anything? Hey, sister, you need to pity this girl. She nearly got killed today. Once again. Are you mad? Eh?
Pity who? That idiot, that thief. So that she will have the mind to be doing anyhow in my father's compound. Because someone freed her, you put that in on one year. Are you stupid?
But sister, you need to pity her, eh? You need to pity her. Me, I'm tired of all these things, so I'm not doing again, sir.
Yeah. Amara. It's like you don't want to eat again in this house. It's just eating him up, yeah? You don't want to eat my food again in this house. It's obvious. Picking this girl. Hey, but sister, you need to pity her. Sister, there's some. Yeah! You mad?
Welcome.
What's the problem?
You're my problem.
I came to see Isioma, not you.
Oh. Who is Isioma? Look at me.
Can you just stop harassing my body, please?
Okay, sorry. Don't you like what you see?
Can you just...
Wait.
What is your problem? I came to see Isioma, not you, please.
See, don't worry. You like it. You enjoy it. Who is Isioma now? Am I not beautiful?
Listen, you are beautiful.
Thank you.
I am not... you are beautiful, yes. But I didn't come to see you. Let me just go in and see Isioma, please.
But I'm here to see you. I want you to see me.
Please, listen, I don't want to be harsh on you, please. Let me just...
don't worry. Just be harsh anyhow. I like it.
Leave me alone. What's your problem? Allow me go see Isioma.
Isioma is not around.
Okay. Since she's not around, once she comes back, just tell her I came to see her.
But I'm around now. Don't you like it? Hell! Hi! Nkechi. Just imagine going to be with this guy wholesale.
I don't have your time.
Oh, but your lips not like this. Can you? What is it? Sorry. Hey, wait. Are you going? Open the door for me now, please. Let's just take one. Of one will be home. I'm done in the motor.
Nkechi, don't worry. You have done your own part. So it is left to me to do my own part.
So, Papa, what do you plan to do? What do you plan to do? Because I don't understand, though.
Nkechi, I told you not to worry. I know that the whole thing will end up in just relationship. Nothing else. Then leave the rest.
Papa, that is not possible. Because me, I must marry a rich man. You? I must marry a rich man. I don't understand this. Who is Isioma? Is she more beautiful than I am?
Why are you worrying yourself, Nkechi? Listen, you are my favorite daughter. Let that sink into your head. So, once anything good comes, not if, because if is a language of probability. Once it comes, it's a language of positivity. Once something good comes, you are the first, not any other person.
Because me, I don't understand. Who is it?
Nkechi, why are you worrying yourself unnecessarily? Don't you trust your father again?
Papa, I trust you, but I don't trust the mother. I don't even trust that Isioma at all. You need to check.
So you are disturbing yourself because of her mother?
Check here, your fuma. I don't understand. Am I not fine? Am I not beautiful? Name my name.
You are beautiful.
Exactly, summer am I like this? I don't understand. If you don't want to check me, I'll go and check. In the chocolate week.
Relax yourself. Don't worry yourself so much. I am Nduka, your father. I have promised you that once something good comes, being my favorite daughter, it comes to you. So don't worry yourself. Okay? Smile a little bit.
Just check yourself, Papa.
Eh?
Papa, you don't understand what I'm saying. Eh? Just check it very well now. Check the mother's name. Oto. Oto. What's the meaning of Oto? Eh? It's like she's passing the Oto to the daughter. Otokalism again. Eh? Check with that thing very well, Papa. Check it very well. I don't understand. Oto. Oto sweet. Yeah, as in she's sweet in the middle corner. Am I not sweet? I change her family. You change that name. I change the name. Can you Oto? Eh?
Huh? She did what? Who told you I was not at home? I was home. I've been at the backyard. But why didn't you call me? Eh? Please, next time, before you come, try to call me. Please. Forgive her. She's okay. Forgive her, please. Just try to call me next time before coming to my place. Okay. Take care of yourself. Hope you're not feeling bad. Alright, bye. Hey. What kind of a sister is this? Eh? God, what have I done to deserve this kind of humiliation from these people? Hey.
Wipe your tears, no kadima. You don't know what God has in mind for you. When we play the tape, you go smile and jump high. Remember, say I've been singing this song to you.
Excuse me, Angel.
Who is your angel? Sorry, my name is Isioma, and I'm not ready to hear anything you want to say. Please.
My name is Raymond. I won't take much of your time, please.
You won't take much of my time?
Yes.
See, I'm just coming back from work, and I'm very, very tired. I need to go home and rest.
I said I won't take your time.
I'm sorry about what happened. You should have called before visiting.
It's fine. I just wanted to pay a surprise visit, so nothing much. So how's your mom? And how is she? Her health?
She's fine.
It's okay. Listen, there's something I want to discuss with you.
If it's about what happened the other day, I'm sorry. I did that out of frustration and my mom's condition.
Far from that. That is not what I want to talk about. I already know what the problem is, so it's not your fault, okay?
So, what is it then?
Listen, I love you. And I want to make you my wife. Please, don't say no. I can't wait any longer. Please, just give me the permission to come see your family. Please.
I don't know if this is reality, but sure, you have my full permission.
Are you serious?
You can see my father. I will inform him about it.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You don't know how happy I am right now. Thank you so much, Camille. Thank you so much. Okay, see. Okay. Just manage this.
Wow.
Take it. It's for your upkeep. Just use it to take care of yourself. And whenever you need anything, don't forget to call me. Okay? I'll definitely come see your people, okay?
Alright, bye.
Let me rush up to a meeting.
Alright, bye.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Just go. Let me watch you go. I love you!
Just take care of yourself, okay?
Okay. So tell me, does the food taste nice?
Oh, very, very sweet. You make a good wife for me.
I know, Mama. I learned from you. Of course, I should be able to do it well.
Now I know that my efforts are not wasted.
Can you stop praising me? You should be the one receiving all these praises, not me.
My daughter.
Mama.
It's about the young man that helped us some time ago.
He's fine. He visited me today.
Really?
Yes. He said he wants to marry me.
He wants to marry you?
Yes, Mama.
So, Isioma, if I did not ask about him, so if I did not ask you, you won't let me know. When is he coming?
Mama, calm down. So many questions at a time.
Answer them at a time.
Mama, I told him to calm down. I would tell him the dates to which he will come.
That means you have to let your father know. Yes. Fast.
No problem. I will tell him. Before then, finish up your food.
Are you talking of that young man that drives a car?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, that's very good. So, when did he say he's coming?
Well, he said I should inform you first. And maybe you should be the one to choose a date that will be convenient for you.
That's very nice. Tell him that any day he feels like coming, I'm always around.
Wow.
You can go.
Thank you.
Idiot. You must be insane to think I will allow such to happen. I don't know anything yet. I want to marry a man that drives a car. Here's the backside with which you sit inside the car. This one.
Mama.
My daughter, what did he say?
He said he can come anytime he wants.
Huh? Thank God. Thank God he accepted.
But Mama, I'm surprised. I'm not just comfortable with the way Papa accepted it. I mean, it's all like him.
Don't worry, my daughter. Don't worry. God will take control. Was he not the one that brought an old man, a man of 70-something years, to marry my daughter? Don't worry. You know what you will do now? Just pick your phone, call him and give him the information. Okay?
Yes, Mama, I will.
Just do that.
I'm hungry.
Eh? Don't you have money? Kinemo shofri. Inenya na nkete. More.
Is it not my money that we've been eating since? I don't have money again.
Have you checked if our neighbors cooked anything?
Have you forgotten that they have changed the position of their pots? Need to look for another alternative.
Even me, I'm hungry, and I don't have money.
plan. Okay, now. Yeah. Let's go and follow my step. You follow my step.
You don't know what God has in mind for you. When we play the tape, you go smile and jump high. Remember, say I've been singing this song to you. Singing this song to you. See your story go change and everything go better. Oh yeah. Wipe your tears, make you know they cry. Hey, open one winter. Everywhere goes still.
How are you? Hope I didn't keep everybody with you.
No, you didn't.
Okay, let me get something. Okay. I think we are going to go. Which way? Okay. Greetings, sir. You're welcome. Thank you, sir.
Papa, he's the one.
Oh, nice. Handsome young man.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Ishema, give us some time, eh? Let me discuss with him one-on-one, as man to man, okay?
Okay, sir.
Pastor, come and sit down with me. Yeah, sit down. Once again, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Papa,
Huh?
this is for you, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is good. Hey. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
My young man. I understand you are interested in marrying her.
Very correct, sir. I love her so much.
Oh, that's good.
Just listen to listen. Listen, you've been talking. Allow me to talk. Listen to me. Listen, you told me 2 weeks. Why is it taking much time? Why? That's not my business. How is it my business? How is it my business? Did I not pay you for the clearing? Did I not? Now, listen. My investors are slowly losing patience. And you know what that means in business. Please do whatever you have to do to deliver it. Listen, the next call I want to receive is that my containers have landed. Else, you have me to contend with. Just do what you have to do.
I am into real estate.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
That makes you a young man with very, very much money in your account.
Exactly, sir. Thank you, sir.
But wait a minute. What really blinded you? What did you see in her? Yes, agreed she's my daughter, but you will not marry her. Excuse me. You see, I'm telling you this because I care about you. She's a thief.
But sir,
excuse me, my son. In this situation, see me as your savior. I love her so much. What did you love? She's an embodiment of misfortune. She's a thief. Not only is she an embodiment of misfortune, the same thing with her mother. Oh yes, her mother is useless to nature. I can tell you this for free. If you marry Isioma, not only will she bring you down from your pinnacle of success, but she will bury you in the dust of poverty, the dust of misfortune. I wouldn't want that for you. You see, you know what? I am like the crab. My abode is like the abode of the crab that anytime you pay a visit, you must meet with water. If you are talking of a woman to marry, a young lady that you will marry, you feel complete as a man. A young lady that will make you a complete man as a wife. The one that will sustain you up there as a rich man, as a young, successful man, are very much available. I will introduce to you a very, very beautiful lady that befits your status as a young man, the rich one. Nkechi! 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 My son, are you going?
Mama, I'm not sure everything is going well in there.
My daughter, don't worry. As you can see, there's nothing I can do. It's only God that we will pray to. God will help us.
I'm not feeling this whole thing.
Just relax.
Wait, he's out.
Oh.
What happened? What happened? What is it? What happened? What happened?
Isioma! 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 Papa! Isioma!
Papa, I told you that girl is a witch. I told you Isioma is a witch. So because of that small girl, this man brought this up. Papa, calm down now. Papa! You! What did you do to my man? Who called you here? And who is your man? Which man can you go to Ineku? My husband, in your dreams. In our long lock.
Papa! Come on, get out from here. Don't have fire into pieces therefore. Open this your mouth full with miseries. Don't call me Papa. Get out of here now before I backhand you.
My friend will get out of here. So you think you can get married before me? Up here? Man, shit. In this compound, in my father's compound. Come and try it now. Idiot. Papa, I told you, I told you she's a witch. Get that same on just my man.
Isioma, what is it? Talk to me. What is going on?
Mama,
I can feel you are not happy.
I'm not happy, yes.
What is the matter?
Since he left so angrily, he has not picked my calls or replied my messages.
Oh. My daughter, there's nothing I can do. But it seems something is wrong somewhere.
Yes, Mama, something is wrong. It's all like him. He doesn't behave like this. I don't know what happened.
My daughter, don't worry. Let's believe he is busy. He will call back.
Mama, he will call back?
Yes.
How many days now? How many days? He hasn't called back.
You have to calm down.
Something is wrong.
Leave it for God, please.
What happened?
Please, my daughter, please. Just leave it for God. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama.
No, Papa, as you can see, your son is a changed man. Aye. Papa, I have a good news for you. Yeah. I am fully ready to settle down as a man.
Bam! You have really made money. Hey! That means one thing. You are getting married.
Of course, Papa.
Yes. And I hope you have made a good choice. Not that mad girl, what's that her name? Isioma? No. But if you have not, I personally will go inside the community and get you a beautiful girl to marry. Hey!
Papa, let's not dwell on that. Papa, that girl is possessed. She's everything you said. I still don't believe.
Raymond.
Papa.
Raymond.
Papa.
If you insist, you will embark on that journey alone.
Papa, relax. I know you are only trying to protect me as your only son. Yes. Well, Papa, you see that girl? That girl is a girl who I wish to settle down with. That girl is my kind of woman. That girl has home training. In fact, she is a perfect woman to me.
Raymond!
Papa.
Okay, I will see you.
If only you will understand. Everybody sees her as a bad girl.
Raymond. See, Raymond, I didn't believe you before, but now I believe you 100%. See, money, your clothes is the scent from your clothes, the perfume. Hey, Raymond.
Emeka, I don't blame you. Isn't the world we live in?
Hey.
So things like this happen.
Okay, now that you are back to this village, what are your plans? Because I know you can't just come back. You must have formations, different plans.
You will not change. Well, Emeka, being my very good friend, I'll tell you my plans. I am fully prepared to settle down as a man, as a real man.
Settle down.
Like I want to have my own family, my kids.
Wait. Nkechi, right?
You and I know I don't like that girl and I don't have any feelings for her anymore. Isioma is the one with a good heart. And she is the one I want to make my wife. Yeah.
Raymond, this is your choice of wife. How are you sure she won't cost you? Huh? Isioma.
Emeka, don't say what you don't know. Let me walk you out. Let's go. So tell me, how's the village life?
Nah, my guy. Yeah, Amazina. What poor man go do?
Listen, it's good to make money.
Teach, how do you make this?
When you have money, you have life.
Hey!
Okay, I will catch up with you much later.
I am coming back here.
Okay.
That thing that you promised me. You Raymond!
Raymond, what are you doing here? Huh?
I came to see you.
See me for what? Leave.
I know, please, I know. I know I've wronged you. Please, I beg you, Isioma, please, forgive me. Please, I beg you. Please. Can we sit down and talk? Please. Thank you.
Hey, hi.
Emeka?
Yeah.
See, I'm not in for your jokes. What is it?
No. I have updates for you. Yes, a very huge update.
See, Emeka, or whatever you call yourself. I'm not in for your jokes. What is
jokes.
it?
Okay. It's about Raymond, my friend.
Excuse you? You're not serious, right?
Oh, come on. I can't joke over it like this. Raymond wants to get married and I want it to be you.
Raymond was busy with poverty when I was with him. So you should better go and make money before talking to me. You know, go?
Hey, come back. I'm not done yet. You know, he just came back with a very nice car. A very clean car. See, Raymond has made money. In fact, he's a millionaire. He's swimming with money. And in fact, he's swimming in money. Okay, and I'm just telling you, they say you won't do something that you will regret for the rest of your life. Okay?
Is that why you dragged me back?
Oh yes.
Maka Raymond.
Yes.
That's why you dragged me back. Akwe? Hi. Nkechi Tagao, you don't suffer. Oh! Wait, you said he came back with motor.
With a nice car, yes.
Jesus, so I know you're not a comedian, but don't worry. Let me patronize you. He came back with a car. Akwe? Who dash monkey banana? Now was selling the motor. So you think he can go to a mechanic, any mechanic, and borrow a car to impress me in this village?
Raymond, borrow.
Ogolomoto. Ogolomoto, where is your own car? Is it not your friend?
See, I will advise you because
don't advise me.
Opportunity comes but once.
My friend, get
Raymond
out.
has made money. Raymond has made money. Hey, I am telling you now because when it gets late, okay, you become begging. You become begging. My friend Raymond has made money, and I promise you that you will come begging. No problem now.
You your papa's cap and make your own money. Are you not a man? Raymond has made money. Rubbish. Village Negaro.
I can see you now on a car.
Yes.
Well, I have forgiven you a long time ago. It's not your fault. You only followed the multitude to believe what they say. But why me? Why must it be me? Are you trying to deceive me?
No. Listen, Isioma. My heart is calling out to you. Yes. You are the kind of woman every successful man we want to spend the rest of his life with. Please, I want to beg you. Don't reject me. Don't say no to me. Please.
It's just that I'm not sure you can withstand the humiliation from my family and villagers.
Listen, Isioma, this is not the Raymond you used to know. I am made now. I just want you to know that I can stand any humiliation. Your humiliations is my humiliation. Okay? Isioma, will you marry me? Please don't say no. Please.
Papa, you sent him.
Yes. Sit down.
Papa.
Something is troubling me. Why is it that every man that comes is asking for Isioma's hand in marriage?
But Papa, I told you before now. Papa, we're going to give before. That girl is using charm. On our Google. Check it very well. I told you, why are you acting surprised?
Do you know that this time around, my friend Amadi, whose son lives in the city, told me that his son Raymond, yes, his son Raymond, the rich Raymond, doing very well in the city, has come back and is asking for Isioma's hand in marriage. Can you imagine that?
Papa, wait, which Raymond?
Raymond, the same Raymond now, the son of Amadi, my friend.
My own Raymond. My own Raymond.
So it's true. It's true that this girl is using charm on my man. It's your Mokede. Papa, my Raymond. Eh? Hey.
See, at this point, Nkechi, you need to ask yourself a question. Why is it that the whole of them that are coming are going after the misfortuned one, the carrier of bad luck? A word is enough for the wise. You know?
Papa, this is war. This is war! And you see, Isioma, she's not going to win. Trust me. My own Raymond. Ojegide alone, my own Raymond. My husband to be. My rich man. Nothing.
I trust you.
Hey.
In case I trust you. As my daughter, I trust you because I know what you can do. I know you are able and capable of doing what will fetch you what belongs to you.
Raymond. She doesn't have respect. No fear. Papa,
I trust you. Don't worry. I know what you can do.
My mother gave her consent.
Oh God. Thank God. Now I will meet with my father so that he will fix a date with your dad.
But I'm afraid.
Afraid of what exactly?
You know my father hates me so much.
Listen, no matter how much your father hates you, I love you and I always stand by you. Okay?
Thank you so much for loving me.
You know what? This is the first time seeing you smile. I hope it continues.
My son,
Mama.
God will bless you. Since you've decided to take this step, may the good Lord guide you. May God take preeminent control. It is well with you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mama. Oh. Mama, just 1 minute. It's your mom. Come on, put on a bright face. Mama, I'll be back.
Okay, my dear. Listen, calm down. God will take control.
Amen. It's time.
Honestly, your level of stubbornness is second to none. And that is why your father is not here, because he knows the truth.
Papa, my father knows the reason I'm here. And he's not the one getting married. For him to have allowed me come here, he has given me his blessings unknowingly. Yes, Papa.
You see, Raymond, experience and time combine together to form the compass of the elderly. Hence, he knows the direction to which the tree will fall when the youthful one is cutting.
Oh, I'm just confused. Please, Papa. This parable has been the cause of many men's downfall. Please, may I know the truth behind this?
You see, I was once as careless as you are now. Oh yes. My marriage produced only 2 daughters. And in my quest to have a male child, a son for that matter, my life went berserk. My life scattered. My life turned upside down.
Felix, you know what I can do. Just no, you don't stop that. You don't have to.
My husband.
You don't have to go there.
Please, can I talk to you?
I have to
I
call
won't
you.
take your time.
I have to call you back. Let me know what I owe this unprecedented attention. Alright, see you later. Woman, what is your problem? Why did you walk in here to disrupt my call?
My husband. I want to know what I've done wrong. Where have I gone wrong? Why have you been avoiding me? Why? What sin have I committed? You have been denying me my rights. I'm a woman for crying out loud.
You must be very stupid. You must be very stupid to walk in here and spill this rubbish. Do you have conjugal rights? If I'm asking. Do you have conjugal rights? You must be very stupid. Of what use are you in this house? You are telling me I'm denying you of your rights. I don't understand. I don't understand. Do you know I can sue you for using me? I can sue you for using me.
Darling.
Who is your darling?
Darling.
Thunder, fire your mouth.
I'm not God that do give children.
You have been using me in this house instead of me using you. I am the man I'm supposed to use you as my wife. I paid everything. But you're the one using me. At night you use me at your own will. Yet no end product. You are as good as being barren. You are as good as being barren. Yes, I said it. This is my house. If I die now, who will inherit everything that I have labored?
Why, Ali, please. Ali, please calm down.
Take your filthy hands. I don't want to commit murder. I don't want to commit murder.
No, I have to do this. It have not gotten to this extent.
You come on! Get out of this place. Get out of this place! Nonsense.
Ali, remember I'm not the God that...
Get out of this place! Of what use telling me to be touching you at night when you are using me? You are using my end product for nothing. I'm hustling, I'm taking good care of myself. At night you use me for nothing. I deposit good thing inside you and you give me rubbish. You are as good as barren. Nonsense.
Oh, look at my sweetheart.
How was the day?
Fine, babe. Guess what?
This smile on your face is very, very unusual.
Guess something. Just guess anything.
It has gotten to guesses. I'm not good at guessing, so just go straight to the point.
Anything. Just anything that comes in your mind. Just guess.
Okay, let me give it a try.
Okay.
The new car is parking outside.
No.
My love, I'm yours and you are mine. So at this point, there's nothing you can hide from me and there's nothing I can also hide from you. So just go ahead and tell me what's it.
Okay. This is for you. Just take it. Have a look.
Wow! Oh my goodness! I'm so happy right now.
I'm the most happiest person.
No, I'm the most happiest. I'm the most
happiest person.
You know what? This calls for celebration.
Are you serious?
Yes, oh my goodness! No. I'll be waiting for a call. Yeah, congratulations. Wow. So, my wife has given birth finally. No. You don't need to tell me. You don't need to tell me. I know he will look like me. Yes, I'm coming. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jesus. I'm a father of a son. Clement, how you know go there for shop? You know go there for shop, they say. Clement, what is it? Send it anyhow now. What is it? Eh? And do what? And do what? What are you saying? Hey! My warehouse is burning! My warehouse. My investment. All my money. This is not true. My warehouse! Hey! Oh! Somebody help me! Oh! Where do I get the money to pay the bills for this, my son? Hey! My warehouse is burning. My warehouse. Good day, sir. I believe you are Mr. Nduka.
Yes, I am.
I have a letter from your landlord.
Any problem?
You have 2 weeks to vacate this beautiful place.
Can't you help me with 2 months or a month? I can find my way.
You can talk to your landlord.
You see, the very day, or do I say the very second that girl was giving birth to, was the very moment my life went upside down. My life scattered. Is that the kind of a woman you want to end up with as a wife?
Papa, it's so unfortunate it happened that way. Oh, I think my case will be different. Yes.
That is why I am asking you to think differently and choose differently. Have you not seen Nkechi before? Is she not beautiful enough to be your wife?
Papa, please, I am not here for selections. Yes, I have made up my mind. I love Isioma, and that is just it. In fact, I will go and come back with my kinsmen for the lease and every other necessary things needed. Papa, I better take my leave.
So tell me, how did it go?
Everything is set now. I will have to go and discuss with my father, then come back.
Really? I'm happy. You know, I was afraid.
There's nothing absolutely to worry about. Everything is fine now.
I'm so sure Mama will be very, very happy if she hears this.
Yeah, sure. Come on, smile.
So, Papa, he's serious about it?
Not only is he serious, but very stubborn about it. Honestly, I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Papa, what do you mean by you don't know what to do? You have to do something, no? Did you even mention me to him?
Yes, I did. And you know what? The moment I mentioned you, he got angry. He got angry. And he said he would be coming back to do the necessary things.
And you accepted it? Why did you accept the drink?
My daughter, I did not say anything. I did not say anything at all. You know what? Just calm down. I'll talk to his father about it.
Papa, you will not marry that girl. You see, Isioma, he will not, he cannot, he will never. I must be his wife. Must. So that I will take you out from poverty. So you have to do something fast too. I don't understand. Why did you accept the drink now? Hey, Papa. Go and return it to.
Amadi. Your son Raymond is proving so stubborn. And I don't know why.
Ndoka. Concerning this issue, I have given up on my son long time. Yes. Yes. Me, I have decided. I'm not the one getting married. So, if he chooses good, he chooses bad. It's his cross. Let him carry it. Yes.
But, you see, Raymond is a boy I love so much because he's your son.
Yes.
And you are my very good friend. You see, I want him to marry Nkechi, my very, very favorite daughter. And not Isioma, the harbinger of misfortune.
Ndoka. Ndoka. I don't know why you hate this your daughter so much. And this your daughter loves my son. And my son loves your daughter so much. Ndoka. I think there's nothing we can do about this. If your daughter wants to marry my son, they have decided, they love each other, they have agreed. Let them get married. There's nothing we can do about it. Ndoka, wait, Chero, I'm going to see Wanyachala. I will talk to you later. Think about what I have just told you. Ndoka, please, before you give yourself BP. You know, go. Come here.
It's all right.
Nkechi! Nkechi! Amara! Amara!
What are you doing on the floor, Papa? From there, beg. Papa, come up from there.
Amara, please. I fell down and I can't get up again. Please help me up.
Papa, I'm not in a good mood like this. I'm not eating. Papa, stand up from that place. Stand up.
Amara, please help me up. You cannot say you don't have strength. With all the food you eat in the house? Amara, please help me up. I can't.
Papa, I cannot do anything. Papa, I cannot do anything. I don't have strength. I'm not eating.
Amara, please borrow strength. Borrow some strength to carry me up, please. I can't get up. My waist. My waist. My waist.
Should this man be acting like this?
Amara.
I'm not even eating.
Amara, with all the food you eat in the house?
But I'm not eating.
Please, borrow strength. Please, carry me up. Borrow strength and carry me up. I can't get up.
Your father told my father that he wanted me to marry Nkechi, but I won't do that.
Listen, my dad loves Nkechi so much. Well, I'm not surprised if he wants you to marry her. You can marry her if you want.
No, come on, Dad. You don't say a thing like that. I love you and...
Listen, my dad won't allow you get married to me as long as he lives. I don't see that happening.
Listen, I will wait till he changes his mind. Yes. What matters to me now is that I love you and I'm ready to wait. It's fine. I will wait.
I called everyone here so that I can apologize. Please, I ask for your forgiveness. I want all of you to forgive me. I never behaved like the man that I'm supposed to be. I did not put my house in order. I should have done things differently. Please, all of you forgive me. Don't want my wife. Please, forgive me. All this while, I've treated you badly, which is not supposed to be. A good husband shouldn't treat his wife badly, the way I treated you. I ask for your forgiveness, please. Aishiama. I have always felt hatred towards you, and I have treated you wickedly. I shouldn't have done that as a father. Please forgive me. Amara, on your side, I have failed as a father. I never brought you up well. I've always encouraged you to take side with your sister, which is unbecoming of a father. Nkechi, please, if there's a way you can tame the beast inside of you, please do so. Because if you don't, it will not allow you to end up well. So, tame the beast inside of you. Raymond, my friend and son-in-law, please forgive me. I should have allowed you to marry my daughter. I know that if I had allowed you to marry my daughter, I wouldn't have been in this condition today. Please, forgive me. Go and get your kinsman. Come and marry my daughter. You get my consent. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Papa, I never faulted you because you denied me your daughter's hand in marriage. No. I waited patiently for you to change your mind. I believe everyone has forgiven you. I'll pay your hospital bill. As soon as possible, you'll be taken to the hospital. Once you're fully recovered, the marriage will commence.
Thank you very much. That's it. Thank you.
Wipe your tears, no kadima. You don't know what God has in mind for you. When we play this tape, you go smile and jump. I remember say I've been singing this song to you. See your story go change and everything go better. Oh yeah. Wipe your tears, make you know they cry. Hey, open one winter. Everywhere goes still. Yeah, le, le, le. Hi, yo. Hi. One day it go turn into a story. One day it go turn into a story. Hi, le, 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 le. Maka one winter. Maka one winter. It's your man. Why you dey fear? They don't corrupt your brain, no. Tell you say you know what? Anything. You are priceless. You are good luck. Hey, no one can stop your shine. Oh, no matter what they see, do not give up. Do not give up. No matter.